Class 2 Computer. Class 2 Computer. Today we are going to learn more about input process output in our part 2 video. Okay, so in our last class we have learnt about the IPO cycle and its process. Okay, so in our last class you remember that we have learnt about IPO cycle and its process. Today we will learn about the input device and output devices. Okay, so today we are going to learn about input devices and output devices, as it is important for the process of IPO cycle. So input and output device are very much important for the process of IPO cycle. So let's get started. A very good day to my dear students. Input devices. Input devices. In computing, an input device is a piece of equipment. In computing, an input device is a piece of equipment used to provide data. And control signals to an information processing system, such as information. Okay, example of input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, digital cameras, joysticks and microphones. So examples of input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, digital cameras and joysticks and microphones are some examples of input devices. Now let's see more about input devices. Okay, we can give input to the computer using the input devices. So it is very important to know that we can give input to the computer by using input devices. So input devices are used in the step 1. Input devices are used in the step 1 of the IPO cycle. Okay, so the most common input devices used today are keyboard, mouse, joystick, web camera, scanner, microphone. So keyboard, mouse, joystick, web camera, scanner and microphone. So these are the input devices which are being used most commonly nowadays. Keyboard. Now see, this is the image of a keyboard. Now let's read about the keyboard. When we type on a keyboard, it sends data and gives instructions to a computer. When we type on a keyboard, it sends data and gives instructions to a computer. What does it do? Whenever we are typing on a keyboard, it sends the instructions to the computer, like whatever the work should be done. And then we are getting the result. Okay, it tells the computer what to do. Therefore, a keyboard is an input device. So what is a keyboard? When we type on a keyboard, it sends data and gives instructions to a computer. It tells the computer what to do. Therefore, a keyboard is an input device. Tech corner. Now see this yellow box, tech corner. Data is a value or set of values. Data is a value or a set of values given to the computer for processing. So data is a value or set of values which is given to the computer for processing. Mouse. A mouse has two buttons on it. A mouse has two buttons on it. So this is the image of a mouse, as you have already learnt about mouse in class 1. So see, this is the image of a mouse, and you know there are two buttons on the mouse and one wheel which is known as scroll wheel. There are two buttons, that is left button and right buttons. When we click the buttons of a mouse, what happens? When we click the buttons of a mouse, it tells the computer what to do. Whenever we are clicking the button, it tells the computer, it instructs the computer what to do. A mouse is used to enter data and give instructions to a computer. So, a mouse is used to enter data and give instructions to a computer. We can use a mouse to draw or to play games. We can use a mouse to draw or play games. So a mouse has two buttons on it. When we click the buttons of a mouse, it tells the computer what to do. A mouse is used to enter data and give instructions to a computer. We can use a mouse to draw or play games. Joystick. A joystick is a handy tool used to play games in a computer. So you know what is joystick? Yes, you play games in a computer, video games. Yes, so a joystick is a handy tool which is used to play games in a computer. The joystick has a base and a stick. The joystick has a base and a stick. The stick can move in all directions. The stick can move in all directions. A joystick is a handy tool used to play games in a computer. The joystick has a base and a stick. The stick can move in all directions. Tech facts. Joysticks were originally used by pilots as a part of an aeroplane's control system. So joysticks were originally used by pilots as part of an aeroplane's control system. They are also used to control big machines like cranes and trucks. They are also used to control big machines like cranes and trucks. So we can get to know more about joysticks. Web camera. So this is the image of a web camera. A web camera captures pictures and videos for a computer. A web camera captures pictures and videos for a computer. Nowadays, computer screens and laptops come with built-in web camera. So nowadays we see web cameras in our laptops and computer. It is built in. We don't need to put an extra web camera on the computer or a laptop like previously we used to do. Scanner. A scanner, see this is a scanner. A scanner is a device which scans information and sends it to the computer. A scanner is a device which scans information and sends it to the computer. You know na, it scans digitally and it sends it to the computer. Like we can scan our ID proof, documents, papers, books, copies, everything we can scan and we can send it to the computer. Examples are photographs, text and images. Examples are photographs, text and images can be scanned through the scanner. Nowadays we are having a scanner in our mobile phone, in a computer, and everywhere we are having a scanner. Microphone. Microphone. See, this is the image of a microphone. You can see a microphone in your school whenever principal ma'am says a speech to us in the assembly hall when we are having assembly. Then ma'am uses microphone to communicate with us. Okay, so this is the microphone. Microphone records our voice or any other sound. Microphone records our voice or any other sound. We can listen to the sound that is recorded by the microphone with the help of a speaker. Okay, so when ma'am says, you can hear with the help of the speakers around us in the auditorium. Okay, so we can listen to the sound that has been recorded by the microphone with the help of the speaker. Output devices. Output devices. An output device is any piece of a computer hardware equipment. Okay, output is any piece of a computer hardware equipment which converts information into human readable form. Which converts information into human readable forms. It can be either text, graphics, tactile, audio and video. It can be either text, graphics, tactile, audio and video. Some examples of output devices are monitor, printer, plotters and speakers. So these are the some examples of output devices. Output devices. Output devices. Output devices are monitor, printer and speakers. Output devices are monitor, printer and speakers. They help us to get information from the computer. They help us to get information from the computer. The output devices are used in step 3. So the output devices are used in the step 3 of IPO cycle. So the step 1 is input devices, step 3 is output devices. So what is the step 2? Yes, it is the processing device, that is CPU. Okay. The most common output devices are monitor, printer and speakers. So we will learn about it. See, this is the image of a monitor. Okay. Monitor, the text we type using a keyboard. The text we type using a keyboard appears on the monitor. Okay. Example, let us type letter A. When we are typing letter A in the keyboard, we can see the letter A on the monitor. Okay. The monitor is an output device which displays the given input. Whatever input we are given, it has been displayed in the monitor screen. That is the output. We are giving the input and it has been displaying the output. So that is the output. Clear? Printer. So this is the image of a printer. Okay. You have seen everything in your computer lab. There is a speaker, there is a printer, there is a monitor, there is a CPU. Everything you can see in your computer lab. So a printer is used to print information on a paper. A printer is used to print information on a paper. It prints the output given by the computer. It prints the output given by the computer. So a printer is an output device. A printer is used to print information on a paper. It prints the output given by the computer. So a printer is an output device. So see, this is the image of a speakers. Okay. When we play some music on a computer, okay, it is very low sound. The computer is also having a speaker, but it is very small and it sounds very low. So when we connect a speaker, it it gets a loud noise. Okay, we can convert our computer system into music system by just connecting the speakers in the computer. When we play some music on a computer, we hear the music from the speakers. Therefore, the speakers are the output devices. Let's solve some exercises. The exercises are given in the next slides. Number A. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash is called the brain of the computer. CPU is called the brain of the computer. A mouse is an dash device. A mouse is an dash device. A mouse is an input device. A monitor is an dash device. A monitor is an dash device. A monitor is an output device. The dash captures videos and pictures for a computer, that is web camera. The web camera captures videos and pictures for a computer. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. This is an input device. So which one is an input device? CPU or keyboard? Obviously keyboard is an input device. Number 2. Where does the process take place in a computer? Where does the process take place in a computer? Speaker or a CPU? Obviously CPU. Now do this question answers by your own. Okay. Number 1. Where do we use joysticks? Where do we use joysticks? Number 2. Which device is used to record sound into computer? Which device is used to record sound into computer? Number 3. Give 3 examples of output devices. Number 4. Name 3 input devices. Name 3 input devices. Number 5. What is a scanner? Number 5. What is a scanner? Number 6. What does a joystick has? What does a joystick has? So paste 2 pictures of input and output devices. Okay, paste 2 pictures of input and output devices. Do the following exercises by your own. Go through the chapters thoroughly. Till then, thank you.